she deliver his message of support.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ang aking pagpupugay at respeto sa ating pong Mayor ng Dato Udin Sinswat, Honorable Abdul Mayin P. Abbas, sa kanyang Vice Mayor, Dato Bob Steele I. Sinswat, at sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Sangguniang Bayan ng Dato Udin Sinswat, sa ating pong partners sa Peace and Security, families ng ating pong mga newly elected officials, empleyado po at sa aking kapwa-kawani ng gobyerno at sa lahat po natin lahat dito, isang magandang umaga po. On behalf ng aking pong Provincial Director ng Ministry of the Interior and Local Government, si Darhata Albalabing, ipinapaabot po namin ang aming pag-congratulate sa ating pong mga newly elected officials ng Municipality of Dato Udin Sinswat. Today marks the culmination of your people's trust and the beginning of a solemn duty to serve with integrity, transparency, and accountability. Today's session is not merely ceremonial. It is a reminder of the sacred role you play in upholding the principles of local autonomy, democratic governance, and participatory legislation. You are not just lawmakers. You are stewards of local development, protectors of public welfare, and partners in nation building. In line with the Local Government Code and the Bangsamoro Local Governance Code, the Sangguniang Bayan is mandated to enact ordinance, approve resolutions, and appropriate funds for the general welfare of your constituents. The laws and policies you craft will directly impact your communities, whether in health, education, disaster risk reduction, peace and order, infrastructure, or social services. Lahat po ninyo, bawat isa sa inyo ay may kanya-kanyang advocacy. Lahat po ay may gustong magawa sa kanyang bayan. Let these diverse advocacies be translated into a responsive legislation, responsive policies, programs that would be beneficial to your constituents. So lahat naman po kayo ay naghangad na magsilbi. So kami naman po sa MILG ay handang magbigay ng suporta, magbigay ng technical assistance. Nandito po yung ating pong mga field officers, yung aming pong mga municipal local government operations officers na laging nakahanda na magbigay ng technical assistance at gumabay sa ating mga local government units para magampanan nila ng maayos ang kanilang mga sinumpaang tungkulin. Moreover, this new term be an opportunity to strengthen collaboration between the executive and the legislative branches of your local government. Marami pong mga venues na magkakaroon ng collaboration. So yan po yung hinahangad natin na ma-strengthen dahil ang united na local government unit ay malayo ang kanyang mararating. Let unity in purpose drive the